We all love discovering new music and artists that fit our lifestyle, but finding your top artists on Spotify can sometimes feel like a mystery. So don't worry, I got 5 simple ways to find them. First, open up the Spotify app and go to the Home tab. At the top, you're going to see a section that says Made for You. Tap on it and you're going to find personalized playlists featuring your top artists. Second, check out the Your Library section. This shows you all your saved artists and albums. You can easily spot the ones that you listen to the most. Third, visit the Your Profile page. Here, you're going to find your listening activity and favorite songs, which will show you who you listen to the most. Fourth, go to the Search tab and type in top artists. You're going to see a list of the most popular artists, many of which could match your taste. Lastly, try Spotify Wrapped. It's an annual feature that shows you your top artists of the year. So now that you know how to find your top artists, if this video helped, leave a like, leave a comment, make sure to subscribe. See you later. Love ya.